want to make my own car. Let's start by doing the floor. And make them to connect to each other. Now we're going to put this thing on top of the... Make sure you put the roof on top so it doesn't fall. Oh, it keeps on falling. Now we're going to put the other walls. One there, one here, one here, one here. Now we need to connect these on here. To connect this, we're gonna put these connected together. Now, we need 2 of these with a shape like a diamond. The cutter. Put these here. We're gonna put these squares on the bottom. Let's start here first. It's very hard to do. Just need to squeeze it a little bit here to connect it. Now we're going to put this away. Oh, this is falling. Connect this. Now it looks like a shoveling vehicle. But first, we're going to put where the driver sits on top here. Let's put this on top of it. Now, let's put one more on top. And let's put this wheel there. Oh, let's put it back on. See? Look how cool it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.